Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter Ra. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter Ra. Ra. Its closest English counterpart is the letter R in rare, but it is a different sound that must be learned. Ra. It's not too hard to pronounce. Now try to write it with me. Notice how it can dips beneath the line. Let's see the three basic voweling signs, when used with Ra. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be Ra. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be Ri. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as Ro. Listen again. Ra. Ri. Ro. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When Ra is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be Ra. Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Raml means sand. Ra. Me. Li. Ram. Li. Raml. Now let's join these letters together. Ra. Me. Ram. Li. Raml. When Ra is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be Ri. Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Rimsh means eyelash. Ri. Me. Shi. Rimsh. Now let's join these letters together. Ri. Me. Shi. Rimsh. When Ra is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be Ro. Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Ru'ab means horror. Ru. I. Bi. Ru'ab. Now let's join these letters together. Ru. I. Bi. Ru'ab. Now let's look at the letter Ra in all different possible positions. As you can see, The beginning form is the same as the isolated form, and the medial form is the same as the end form. Handwriting time. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like.
ركن.
Means corner.
ر. كي. ني. ركن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر. كي. ني. ركن.
And next.
رمح.
Means spear.
ر. م. حي. رمح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر. م. حي. رمح.
And next.
رقبة.
Means neck.
راء. ق. ب. ه. رقبة.
Now let's join these letters together.
راء. ق. ب. 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 ه. رقبة.
And next.
رخيص.
Means cheap.
راء. خ. ي. سي. رخيص.
Now let's join these letters together.
راء. خ. ي. سي. رخيص.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like.
قرد.
Means monkey.
قي. ر. دي. قرد.
Now let's join these letters together.
قي. ر. دي. قرد.
And next.
شرب.
Means drinking.
شو. ر. ب. شرب.
Now let's join these letters together.
شو. ر ب شرب.
And next.
مرح.
Means gaiety and fun.
ما ر ح مرح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما ر ح مرح.
When those exception letters come before the letter
راء
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. When
راء
is in the middle of a word, the isolated form is used. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since it refuses to connect with the letter after. For example,
ذرة
means corn.
ذو ر هي ذرة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ذو ر هي ذرة.
And next.
قارورة
Means flask, bottle, or vial.
ق ق ر رو ر هي قارورة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ق ق ر رو و ر هي قارورة.
Here is how to write the end form. Like
شر
means evil.
ش ر شر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ر شر.
And next.
مصر
Means Egypt.
م صي ر مصر.
Now let's join these letters together.
م صي ر مصر.
And next.
سرير
Means bed.
س ر ي ر سرير.
Now let's join these letters together.
س ر ري إي ر سرير.
When those exception letters come before the letter
راء
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. It is free to the right, since the letter before it refuses to connect. And it is free to the left, since there is no letter after, and even if it was, ra would refuse to connect with it. For example,
جار
means neighbor.
جا جا ر
جار.
Now let's join these letters together.
جا جا ر
جار.
And next,
جذر
means root.
جي ذي ر جذر.
Now let's join these letters together.
جي ذي ر جذر.
And next,
قدر
means fate.
ق د ر قدر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ق د ر قدر.
And next,
رادار
means radar, location device.
ر را د د ر
رادار.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر را د د ر
رادار. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.